Restoring your files. Welcome to the Restoring Your Files video, where I'll show you how to restore files that you've previously backed up. Whether you want to go back in time and get an older version of a particular file, or perhaps you've accidentally deleted a file that you now need, recovering files is easy from the SendOffsite Backup Utility. Assuming you've already logged in, click the Restore Online button. If you are looking for a particular file, there are several filters available in the Backup Utility that will help you locate the file. You can limit your search to files of a particular size. In this case, all files that are greater than 1024 kilobits. You can also narrow your search to files with a particular extension. .wpl, for example. In this case, let's not put a limit on the file extension, so we'll select the All Files and Folders option. If you know all or part of the file name you're looking for, you can enter it here. Finally, you can select a date using the calendar and have the search limited only to backups up to and including that date. This is a nice feature if, for instance, you know you're looking for a version of a file that's at least 2 months old. When ready, click Next. You can now browse through all the backup files in your storage plan that meet the criteria you just set and look for the file or files you want to recover. Clicking on the plus or minus next to the folder will expand or contract that folder, while clicking a folder name will display the available files within that folder in the right pane. Once you've found the file you want to recover, select it by putting a mark in its checkbox. Remember that a grayed out checkbox means that only some of the files or folders in a particular folder have been selected. To select all files in a folder, click its check mark until it's bold. In this case, we've selected to recover all files and folders in our backup account. Click Next. On the Recovery Location screen, you can see just where your files will be recovered to. If you want to change the recover location, select New Location and enter the new location path. In this case, we'll just keep the default location. Click Finish. The recovery process starts immediately, as shown by the Recovery Progress window that pops up automatically. The length of time it takes to recover your files will depend on the number and size of the files you're recovering and your internet connection speed. When the recovery process is complete, you can click the Details button to see what files were recovered and if there were any errors. Click the Open Folder button. From here, you can navigate through the files and folders you just recovered to locate the file or files you need. That's it! We've successfully recovered files from our backup account. Remember, you can recover files as often as you wish. As long as you back them up with the Backup Utility, all versions of your files will be available for recovery.